guys, we are back in We're back in Flushing for some more food. Oh my God, yo, the food out here is amazing.
Don't judge us.
Yo, the food, and you guys have to come out here and eat. I can't believe it. And there's so many restaurants. I'm gonna show you some pictures and clips and B-roll and everything. But yo, we're back out here and we gotta try some more food. Well, I gotta find Char Siu.
You have to find Char Siu?
Char Siu, I have to find it.
Who's gonna go eat food and still...
What's this? What's this?
And
oh,
still...
Come close, let's see what they got. Wow, look at this.
Tells you on the top what it is. Wow.
Come on.
Alright.
That's boba. Right, that's boba? Savannah would love that.
Boba! Oh my God. That's amazing. Alright. Okay, come on.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, baby.
Oh yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Chef and cheferettes,
boys and girls, listen, y'all see the spread? Man, we just came back from Flushing, New York. Highly Chinese population. It's like, I think they call it Chinatown. That's the Chinatown of Queens,
really?
Actually. Yeah, I think, you know how they got a Chinatown in Manhattan?
Manhattan, that's all I know.
And I think Flushing is Chinatown of Queens. So we just came back from Flushing, New York. Oh my God. So much food.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. Food, desserts, pastries.
Everything.
Fruit stands, like you name it, they had it.
You walking by the storefront, they have food in the window. They got ducks in the window. They got pork in the window.
The ones that you shave off, like...
Everything is in the window.
So delicious.
It was crazy.
I didn't want to leave. I wanted to, like, you know, like people go shopping, like from whatever, like store to store. I wanted to go from like restaurant to restaurant and just get one of everything.
Yeah, we know.
Why are you?
We know. Got it! But guys, so we randomly picked this store. I think it's called Wushan. Please don't flame me if I get the title wrong. But we walked by, we saw the ducks in the window, we saw the ribs in the window. It's our first time actually eating in Flushing too. Mm-hmm. And it's our first time trying this dish. So this is Char Siu. I might said it wrong. Please don't flame me. Please.
You're probably saying it better than I could ever, so.
And I think it's roast pork.
Yeah, that's what they said, roast pork.
Roast pork. So I'm gonna drop a clip inside the restaurant. I'm gonna show you a picture of the front of the store so y'all can see the foods and the meats. And it was amazing. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looked. We don't know.
It does look good.
It looks good.
It looks really juicy, actually.
It doesn't look like your normal ribs that you'll get from the regular Chinese store. It don't.
Right.
Like there's no sauce. Let me show y'all.
Like normally when you go to the Chinese restaurant, the sauce is like, oh, barbecue ribs.
Yeah,
This is not barbecue ribs.
There's no sauce. There's no bones. It's piping hot. It looks good. You want to say grace first or you want to do thumbnail first?
Let's do the thumbnail first.
All right, thumbnail. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's about to go down. We're going to say grace. We about to try this Char Siu roast pork for the first time.
Oh, you want me to say the grace,
No,
you want me to say the grace.
Grace. All right, let's eat. Woo! Oh, and it comes with this little sauce. I don't know what it is.
It looks like soy sauce, actually.
Maybe, yeah. Maybe somebody can drop a comment and let us know what it is, because we don't. They didn't even tell us.
They just gave it to us.
All right. Got your fork?
I got my fork. Can we open this?
Sure.
Just...
I want to try the meat first without any
course,
sauce.
but I still want it open.
You guys can have the first bite. Go ahead.
Wow. This must be a special occasion that you are sharing anything.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Anything, because normally you just show them. Wow.
Comment below if you want to work with me.
Chef Trudy is in a good mood.
Guys, comment below if you want to work with me.
He's in a good mood, guys.
I'm looking for a sidekick. Comment below if you want to work with me. This is good.
I'm gonna taste it with the sauce. It feels like it needs a little sauce. It is soft.
To me, it tastes good just like that.
Yeah, it has flavor.
Soft, flavorful, fluffy, light. Tell us what you think the sauce is too. I'm gonna try the sauce too.
It doesn't taste like regular soy sauce.
I don't think that's soy sauce.
Yeah, I don't think so. Because you know soy sauce is a little salty.
This is a little sweet.
Yeah.
It's good.
It is good. Definitely. Maybe it has like honey or something in it.
Guys, I'm gonna need y'all help. I want to try Peking duck. Never tried it before.
What's that?
That was the thing in the window right next to the pork.
Oh.
I'm gonna show a picture. Guys, I need to know who's got the best Peking duck in Flushing, in New York, because I want to try Peking duck because I saw it at Wushan. But I don't know if they're the best.
Only duck I ever had was curry duck. Duck curry.
Me too. I had roast duck before.
No, I never had that before.
I had roast duck. I didn't have Peking duck.
I wonder how that's cooked.
This is good.
I'm gonna Google it.
I don't know. This is amazing.
This is real good.
They had some other stuff on the menu too that I'm not gonna say.
Are we gonna go back?
I got a little nervous. No, I got a little nervous.
Oh, okay.
When I was reading the menu.
Oh. You got my nerves?
Maybe I'm gonna drop a picture of the menu from Wushan.
Yeah.
So y'all can see.
I'll go to that.
There's some other stuff on the menu that I was like, whoa. I might not eat that.
No? But you eat duck?
I eat duck.
Alright.
I don't think you looked at the menu.
I didn't look at the menu.
This I will get again. I'm gonna give this a 10.
This is really good.
I like this. As a matter of fact, it was $14 for a pound of this. So they sell it by the pound.
Oh wow. Alright. I haven't had a bite yet that was like not perfect. You know?
It's so soft.
It's really soft. I'm not sure. You know, sometimes you get pork and you like, excuse me, you like chewing like it's rubber. This is not rubber.
I wonder why they hang the meats out like that. Maybe somebody can let us know. Because the meat's hanging like from the ceiling on a hook. Have the meat just
maybe
hanging.
it keeps it moist.
Drains the grease out, the fat out maybe.
I don't know. It did make me feel like I'm not a professional chef.
Let me give you another piece. This is
I
good.
really want to know what that sauce is.
This is good. Somebody tell us what the sauce is, please. This is good.
They just put it in the bag.
I recommend everybody go try Char Siu. It's CHARSIU.
Really good. Really, really good.
If you like pork, you're gonna love Char Siu.
Yeah. This is great.
And it's a lot.
I love that, you know, like in the beginning, I was just like, oh, I want the sauce open because it doesn't have no sauce. You don't need no sauce.
There you go.
It's so good. I love trying new food.
I know.
Why couldn't you say me too?
No, I know.
You could have said me too.
No!
All right.
I know.
Okay. All right. Y'all see how Chef Trudy always trying to play me?
This is busting. I'm sorry.
So if I had a new restaurant in mind, right? And I like
this one is tripping. I'm scared to even come close to show y'all.
and
Let me zoom in, show y'all one more time before we finish it all. Look at this. Yo, it's amazing. It's amazing.
I really like that sauce. I wish we had more. I just don't know what it is. It feels like it has a little bit of honey in it, or maybe brown sugar or something.
Something sweet.
Yeah, something sweet. I don't know, but
It goes perfect with the pork.
they put their foot in it or something. It's good. It's so good.
So what do you give it?
I give it a 10.
I give it a 10 too.
Because it's just really great.
Next time I go to Flushing, I'm getting another one.
What I like about this, I feel like I could eat this with anything. When I say anything, like scrambled eggs, home fries with this on the side. I could have this with white rice. I could have this with mashed potatoes. I could have this with anything. Like, it is just cooked to perfection where you can have it with really anything on the side. On top of anything. It's really good.
Wushan, 10 out of 10.
Wow, they gotta clap at.
It's good.
It was really good.
I like it. It's so soft, moist, and fluffy.
I never had anything like this. This was great.
It's cooked to perfection. This meat is cooked to perfection. I'm gonna have to show y'all again. Take a look. We left y'all some. That's all I got. I ain't got nothing else to say. Bussin'.
Bussin'?
What about you?
Definitely bussin'.
Bussin'. All right, guys. We hope you like this review. Don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
And we are out.